Chioggia is an Italian town of 48,000 inhabitants in the metropolitan city of Venice in the Veneto region in Italy. It is located on the southern edge of the metropolitan city and borders the Venetian Lagoon to the north and west, the Adriatic Sea to the east and the Adige and the Po rivers to the south. The Church of St. Andrew, dating back to the 18th century, has at its side a Romanesque tower, called the Clock Tower, dating back to the 11th century and once a defense and military watchtower. Inside it has the oldest tower clock in the world made by Giovanni Dondi. Recent studies have proved its pre-existence to that of Salisbury. In Chioggia there are, like in Venice, streets, squares and canals. The main one, from the tourist point of view due to the typicality of the palaces and churches that overlook it, is the Canal Vena, crossed by 9 bridges in many ways similar to those present in Venice. The most impressive is the Ponte Vigo, which closes the canal near the lagoon leading to the square of the same name in front of the boat station for Pellestrina and in which stands a high column surmounted by the Lion of St. Marcus, El Gatto, the Big Cat, because it is much smaller than the Lion of Venice. Reason and cause of strong quarrels between Venetians and Chioggia inhabitants, the famous Baruffa, the latter feel offended by the contempt that this name precludes. The historic center of the city is located at the southern end of the lagoon on a group of islets divided by canals and connected by bridges. Unlike Venice, most of the area is passable by cars and public transport. With the nearby Sottomarina, located in the stretch of land that divides the lagoon from the sea, and with the towns of Borgo San Giovanni and Brindola, it forms a single urban center thanks to the creation of the Island of the Union and its homonymous bridge that crosses the Lucenzo Lagoon. The historic center of Chioggia, when viewed from above, appears in the shape of a fishbone. The city is called the Little Venice for the urban characteristics of the ancient area very similar to that of Venice, the Venetian capital to which the city is connected. The legend about the origins of Chioggia is connected to that of Aeneas, the mythical Trojan hero who fled the destruction of Troy, who sailed for the Mediterranean and then settled in Latium. Antenor, Aquilius and Clodius also left with Aeneas, who halfway through the journey separated from their fellow citizen to head towards the Venetian lagoon, founding Padua, Aquileia and Clodia respectively. As proof of this mythical foundation there is the symbol of the city, a rampant red lion on silver background, chosen by Clodius himself in memory of his hometown, and the name of the city itself. Forte San Felice was originally an islet that emerged in the northern area of ancient Clodia Minor, where there was a wooden tower that signaled the entrance to the lagoon. After the War of Chioggia, it was recognized as a fundamental strategic place to guarantee the safety of the southern lagoon. A walk or a bike ride allows you to admire absolutely unique landscapes and views and an impressive city skyline, especially at sunset. The city of Chioggia is the 15th among the 27 cities decorated with a gold medal as Meritorious of the National Risorgimento, for the highly patriotic actions carried out by the city in the period of the Italian Risorgimento between the uprisings of 1848 and the end of the First World War in 1918.